Hey, what is going on guys? Charlotte Tolentino here and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now, ASUS had a Be Incredible launch event a couple of days ago to feature some of their latest ZenBooks, and I gotta say, they were honestly pretty incredible. So I just had to make a recap video on those ZenBooks and, well, share with you some of my thoughts. The first of these is the ASUS ZenBook S, or the UX393EA. Now, the tagline for this is think bigger and be incredible, but what does that mean? This is the world's thinnest and lightest 3x2 3.3K laptop. So let's take a look at the specs. First off is the premium display. So we have the 3x2 Nano Edge display. So I've mentioned this in a couple of my other videos. 3x2 is perfect for productivity, especially when it comes to Excel files or Word documents. We also have a touchscreen, which makes it that much easier to work on this laptop because of the versatility. And once again, we have a 3.3K resolution display, which makes this perfect for high definition editing like for videos or for Photoshop or making assets or artworks. The next feature is actually better performance. That's because we have an Intel Evo 11th Gen i7 processor with integrated Iris X graphics. So we have integrated graphics here, which will be perfect for longer battery life. Not only that, but we also have 16 gig of memory, which is more than enough for daily tasks and is perfect for things like rendering, Photoshop, or even video rendering. The next main feature is innovative technology. That's because we have the exclusive NumberPad 2.0 to help with productivity. I have used some of ASUS's laptops before, so I've experienced using the NumberPad 2.0, and it is very, very useful because you can use the touchpad like a touchpad, but at the same time, just in case you need it, you can use it as a numpad. For the other specs here, we have storage, which is 1TB PCIe NVMe 3.0 M.2 SSD storage. So we have a lot of storage here, 1TB, and it is gonna be very, very fast as well. For the battery, we have a 67 Wh battery pack, which should be perfect since we have an integrated graphics card that should work wonders with battery life. As for the weight and dimensions, it is just 1.35 kilograms and is only 1.57 centimeters thin. So it is very light and is very thin. And for what this laptop is packing, that is pretty incredible. I'm going to be using that word a lot in this video because ASUS, but you know, incredible. So let me just run through the I/O ports. So we have two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, which is very, very versatile because USB-C works with very many things now, so you won't need to bring that many like adapters for meetings. We have one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A just in case you need it, as well as one HDMI port. So if you want to basically extend your display or maybe like mirror your display while you're doing a presentation, you can do that. We also have one micro SD card reader, which is perfect if you want to do things like photo editing or video editing on the fly. So it's really cool that ASUS decided to add this. As for the price, it is 99,995 pesos, and you can get some freebies, so stick around until the end of the video because I'll be talking about their Share 2020 campaign. The next on our list is the ASUS ZenBook Flip S, or the UX371EA. So the tagline for this is do more and be incredible. But what does that mean? This is the world's thinnest OLED convertible laptop. So let's dive into that in a bit. Once again, we have a very premium display on this. That's because we have ultra vivid colors with a 4K UHD Nano Edge OLED display that is TUV Rainland and SGS certified. Once again, it is also touchscreen and it is also an HDR display. We have a 360 ergo lift hinge on this, so that explains why we have a convertible laptop. So you can use it flat on the table or like a regular laptop, or even like a tablet where you flip it all the way backward and you will not have any keyboard at all, so you can draw the way you want or you can bring it around like a tablet. Now, just like earlier, we also have better performance and we also have an Intel Evo 11th Gen i7 processor with Iris X graphics, integrated graphics once again, which will be perfect for longer battery life. Once again, we have 16 gig memory here, which is perfect for this kind of laptop, especially because it kind of looks like it's going to be mostly used by artists or designers or people who need to render stuff like videos. So 16 gig memory will be perfect for those kinds of workloads. Once again, we have innovative technology with the exclusive NumberPad 2.0 to help with productivity, as well as ASUS Pen support for the artists out there because we know that a lot of artists will want to use this kind of laptop. Then we also have ASUS AI noise cancelling technology, which is perfect for video calls, conferences, maybe even consultations and stuff like that. So it's cool that they added this. Now again, we're gonna run through the other specs. That's the storage, which is a 1TB PCIe NVMe 3.0 M.2 SSD storage, which is again a lot of space, especially if you're gonna be saving a lot of videos on this, photos, renders, projects, or it's a long-term laptop, so you're gonna need all that storage. For the camera, we have an HDIR web camera supporting Windows Hello. So once again, this is perfect for conferences. A while ago, I mentioned that we have ASUS AI noise cancelling technology, which is great because once again, it won't be noisy. Plus, you're gonna have a really good camera for those consultations, meetings, or conferences. Now for connectivity, we have Intel Wi-Fi 6 with Gig Plus performance and Bluetooth 5.0, so you can bet that you will not get disconnected no matter where you're working, whether you're working from home, whether you're working from a cafe, you will not be disturbed in terms of connectivity. Now I'll run through the I/O ports real quick. So we have two Thunderbolt 4 USB-Cs, just like a while ago, very versatile and very useful. We also have one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, just in case you need it, and an HDMI for presentations, or maybe if you want to mirror your display or extend your display in case you need it for productivity. Now for the battery, we have a 67 watt-hour battery pack, just like a while ago, that can last up to 10 hours, which is really good considering that we have a 4K UHD OLED display. Now as for the dimensions, it's very thin at 1.39 centimeters, and for the weight, it is just about 1.2 kilograms. As for the price, it is 94,995 pesos, and once again, you can get some freebies with this, so stick around until the end because we're going to be talking about the Share 2020 campaign of ASUS. Now the last laptop we're going to be looking at is the ASUS ZenBook Flip 13 or the UX363EA. So their tagline for this is Go 360 and Be Incredible. So what does that mean? This is the world's thinnest 13-inch convertible laptop. Once again, it's another convertible laptop just like the Flip S. Once again, we have a premium display on this with a full HD Nano Edge display that is touchscreen, as well as a 360-degree ergo lift hinge. Now, despite being the cheapest among the three, we still have incredible performance here with an 11th Gen i5 Intel processor. And just like the other two, also sports Intel Iris X graphics. Once again, we have innovative technology here with NumberPad 2.0 as well as support for the ASUS Pen stylus. Now let's take a look at the other specs. We have for the memory 8GB 4266MHz PDDR4X RAM, which is very fast, and 8GB is more than enough for everyday tasks and for work and productivity. Now for the storage, we have 512GB PCIe 3.0 SSD storage, which is also again very fast. Now just like the others, you also get Intel Wi-Fi 6 with Gig Plus performance and Bluetooth 5.0, so you have steady connectivity all throughout. So again, we're gonna run through the I/O ports. So like a while ago, we have two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, which is very versatile, especially if you're going out for conferences, for meetings, or when you have to work from outside. Also, we have USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, we have one of those, and an HDMI port for presentations or if you're working from home to extend your display. We have a very similar body to the Flip S, so we have a 1.39 cm thickness as well as weight of about 1.3 kilograms. Now for the price, it is only 64,995 pesos. So yeah, these are the three notebooks that were featured in the Be Incredible launch event of ASUS, and it is worth noting that these are perfect for work, for art, for rendering videos and stuff like that. And out of the box, it comes free and pre-installed with MS Office valid for a lifetime. Not only that, you also get free 2-year ASUS global warranty and platinum protection. Now, if you pre-order an ASUS ZenBook S, you get a free ASUS RT-AC1300 UHP router as well as a Zen Screen portable monitor, which are both perfect for working from home. However, this is only valid if you are one of the first 20 people to pre-order, and this promo is only valid until December 19. Now a little bit more on the ASUS Share 2020 campaign. So all you have to do is purchase any of the select ASUS laptops between November 25 to December 31 and register your purchase in the Share microsite link, which I will be showing somewhere on the screen right now. Now, if your purchase is registered and valid, you should be able to get some awesome gifts that are up to 27,490 pesos. Those include the ASUS ZenBeam S2 projector, the ASUS ZenScreen MB16 ACE, and the ASUS TUF H3 bundle. So that's an incredible deal, so definitely take advantage of that this holiday season. And there you have it. a quick rundown of the ASUS Be Incredible launch event that happened a couple of days ago. Hopefully I helped you with your holiday investment plan, and you never know, you might just greet 2021 with a brand new ASUS ZenBook. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed that video. Hit the notification icon if you want to get them updates when we drop them videos. Once again, I am Cholo Tolentino, and I'll see you guys in the next one.